Hi, this is Christopher Hart, cartoonist and author of many books on cartooning and manga and figure drawing. I'd like to show you today how to draw a cartoon of a manga character in kind of a three-quarter view of the face. Let's bring the eye line down low, like that. And hopefully by starting with the basic shapes, we'll be able to finish this and make it look good. Okay, let's start. So let's put the eyes in here. We need to start with these brackets for placement. Upper and lower eyelid. On this side too. And over here, bring the tip of the nose just a little bit off the center line. Yeah, center line. Okay. But we'll make the mouth go to the left of the center line. See, so it's not even on the center line. It's like some of the other things you would think would be. Okay, here is the eye, right, like this, and making sure that the eye is cut off by the eyelid on top. The eyelashes go up. They extend and then go up. And we'll bring the hair down here and nice bangs for the character. And down, like that. Now I'm going to soften this a little bit. And we'll put some eyebrows high above the eyes. A little part in the hair in the middle, so it dips down here. Even maybe a little more this way. Okay, now we can erase all this stuff inside because we don't need it. We don't need it anymore. I'm going to extend this a little bit down like this and out. I think that will look, oh, that's good. Yeah, that's looking better. Okay, so let's finish up. Now that we have everything in place, the main thing are, of course, the eyes. So we will thicken the outer rim of the eyeball. That gives it a lot more emphasis. And of course, we'll also thicken the eyelid and the eyelash. Put another one in there, or two. Same thing on the side. Flatten the lower eyelid, because she's smiling. Smile takes a flatter eyelid on the bottom. A little crease here and shading. Crease here and shading. And the mouth is flat across in a smile, not pulled like this like crazy, just a tiny bit at the end. And a little shading on the end here. Darken the eyebrows. And you can add a little bit of lower eyelashes. Now let's contour this. Make it a little darker. And just darken everything that you want to emphasize. Okay, so now let's have an irregular shine. Same place on both sides, same shape on both sides, and a small pupil in the middle. Also put another shine at the bottom, but it's a smaller one, so they're not even. Even things aren't always that interesting. Now we're going to darken the shine, the perimeter of the shine, of both shines, That thickness will look good. And we'll also thicken the area between the upper eyelid and the shine. These two areas right here. Between the shine and the upper eyelid. And now we'll lightly darken the iris area. Now that will look right. Good, it's looking good. A little bit of shading here. And kind of free streaks for the bangs. You can close them if you like. I'm put a little shadow under the chin onto the neck. And now I'll just add a little here. Finish it up with a little shading. I'm going to bring the nose up just a touch. You can even put a headband in by darkening this area right here. I like to layer it by showing the back of the hair a little darker. It kind of makes the front pop. Okay, well there's your manga girl. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will join me next time for some more drawing fun. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.